welcome to Ojo the Crocheting Sailor. I am coming on today to do a quick unboxing from Michaels. I did order crystal cakes when they became available online, and look at all of these packages. I ordered yarn and they sent 6 different packages. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So out of my haul, this is what I received. And on the right, we'll start with the Impeccable Yarn. I actually got these 3 skeins of loops and threads Impeccable Yarn for $5.64. I thought this was wonderful. The color is bright sky blue, but to me it's like a teal blue, and it is a medium weight 4. It's 285 yards, 4.5 ounces, 260 meters, which is 127.5 grams. You use a 5mm, which is an H hook for crochet. For the knitting needles, you'll need a 5mm US. Can't see what that is. Can y'all see that? US 8. That's what it is. I'm very happy that I actually scored some crystal cakes. These are huge, very beautiful. It's made by Caron Yarnspirations, and it said limited time only. So a little FYI there. There is a beautiful free pattern on the side. These colors are green, gray, and blue with a little bit of light blue. And this metallic that's running throughout the chain spun link, looks chain spun, it is not scratchy at all, just in case anybody wanted to know. It's very nice. And this color is called Glittering Moonlight. It's a medium weight 4. You need a 5mm for the knitting and crochet hook, and machine washable and dryable. It is 64% acrylic, 24% polyester, and 7% nylon with 5% metallic throughout. It's 634 yards, 8.5 ounces, which is 240 grams. It's 580 meters. Okay, we'll go with this beautiful purple one. Oh my goodness. For all of the purple lovers, there is purple, fuchsia, and it looks like a nice deep bluish to purple color. It's really dark, like a dark blue running throughout. It's very pretty. Majority of it is purple. So this colorway is called Dusk. Next, I have an all red color with metallic running throughout, and it is a deep red. This color is called Claret Bardot. Very beautiful. Same yardage on each one of these cakes. This is a beautiful emerald green color, and this is perfect for Christmas. So if you wanted Claret Bardot, you can mix that with this peacock, which is the emerald green color. I also have 2 of these, and this is very pretty. It has orange, red, and fuchsia running throughout with little hints of, it looks like a blue color. So that color right there looks like a blue stormy charcoal color. Very, very nice. And this is called Coral. These are very nice. So I ended up getting 2 of these cakes here. And let's see if this is called Hummingbird. So this is another colorway. And this is very nice. Look at all of these deep, rich colors. There is green, brown, There is an emerald green in there. So the other green is a lighter shade, which looks to be a light lime green, I would say. And there is purple running throughout there, as you can see. Very stormy like colorway. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. And again, this is called Hummingbird. So if you get an opportunity, go online and see if you can grab some of these beautiful cakes that I've just shown. I hope you all can get some. And for the yardage, you can't beat it. I paid $4.92 for each one of these cakes. And I think it was a wonderful deal for 634 yards, which is 580 meters, medium weight 4. And you can machine wash and dry. So I hope this unboxing was helpful for some on deciding whether or not you would like to purchase these cakes. If you can get them online, I have not seen them in the stores, even though I haven't been to the store. But what I mean as far as delivery and or pickup, they have not been available, only online. So I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching and have a glorious day.